So this is what we ended up with today. February, what is it, 21st, 2015? Weatherman said 1 to 3, then maybe 2 to 4. Yeah, we got about 10, we think. And then it started freezing rain. And now it's all capped off with a nice layer of ice. We have been inside most of the day. We went outside and played and shoveled the driveway. Had some fun. And now we're hunkered down watching movies. Fire going. JoJo, say hi. Gabby, say hi.
Hello everybody, it's a really fun day. Casamigos.
Who was my big helper in the driveway?
Me.
Who fell in the snow and froze her hands?
Help! I need your help.
She's stuck. Help her, help her.
Oh, help you? Gabby, to the rescue! Step out. It's stuck with you broke it.
No, it pops on her. We'll pop it right back on.
What the? Oh my god. I'm so sorry.
Oh my gosh, young lady.
I'll fix it. Yeah, I will fix it.
This ought to be funny. You want me to fix it? Look at the other leg. You'll figure it out. Good job, Joe.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh. You really like this movie, don't you, Gavin? Here, move your ducky if you're going to do that. I don't want anybody to get a ducky through the...
Daddy, move that. Daddy, move that. I'm going to jump. Daddy, move that. Daddy!
What?
Move that.
Move
Daddy,
that?
we want to paint the faces.
Move that, please.
Yeah.
Can you say please?
Please.
All right, wait. I want to get this on film. I want to get this death-defying jump on film.
Look at him with only this much hair.
So, Joe Bird, are you going to show me your awesome jump? Say eyes on me. Woohoo! And this is our couch / landing pad. It's the most expensive landing pad I've ever seen. This couch is getting destroyed by the day. In fact, the entire house is getting destroyed by the day. But we've got the essentials for the evening. Dun, 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 dun. It's cold.
No. Come on. Daddy, you gotta scared. Come on. Oh, fine.
Where's she taking
Hold
me?
your hand. Help me.
Okay, look at the camera and say bye-bye. Say goodnight from cold Maryland.
Okay. Good night from cold Maryland.
What are you guys going to do, the double jump?
Gabby, hold hand.
No need to continue. I've seen quite enough. But it's a great plan. I love
You
everything
go
about your
first.
plan.
Okay.
One thing.
My turn. My turn. Anybody eyes on me?
I drew a picture of me landing on the moon.
Go, Joe.
You gotta say, please jump on the couch.
Do I got to say abracadabra? What do I got to say?
Abracadabra, everything, please jump on.
Say it again.
No. I'm not.
Okay, you going to jump? You better hurry up and do it.
Let's face reality, crew. You've been at this for
All right, I'm about to turn this camera off. You're not going to show me your big jump.
success.
Feel this?
Video is long.
Go.
Whoa!